The juxtaglomerular cells is the area of the kidney that makes and secretes renin. The juxtaglomerular apparatus, located in this area, is the area of the kidney that monitors blood to determine if renin is required. Renin is released in response to a drop in blood pressure or sodium. So once renin enters the blood, through here, it will travel through the bloodstream, and then the liver will produce and release angiotensin. And when renin and angiotensin come together, renin converts the angiotensin into an active protein called angiotensin 1. Angiotensin 1 then travels to the lungs, where it is met by the angiotensin converting enzyme, and angiotensin 1 is then converted into the enzyme called angiotensin 2. Angiotensin 2 then causes vasoconstriction and increased blood pressure, and it also has the adrenal gland release aldosterone, and aldosterone causes the kidney to retain more water and more sodium, and the retaining of more sodium also is how it retains water, because the water then follows the sodium, and so this will also raise the sodium content of blood. This in turn will raise blood volume and also increase blood pressure. Now, the antidiuretic hormone kind of does the same thing as the renin angiotensin aldosterone pathway, but it also helps the body retain water. So the antidiuretic hormone is produced in the hypothalamus, and it is stored in the posterior pituitary. It is triggered by high osmolarity or decreased BP. When the antidiuretic hormone is released, it travels to the kidneys and into the collecting ducts of the kidney, and it forms aquaporins. These aquaporins open up different channels along the collecting duct, allowing water to move back into the body, reducing urine output. This will increase the concentration of urine, with a smaller volume of urine being secreted. This will in turn increase blood volume because of the more extra water that's going to be in the body, and it will also increase blood pressure. Now, alcohol inhibits the release of the antidiuretic hormone, and without the antidiuretic hormone, these aquaporins do not form in the collecting ducts, and this will lead to water not being retained by the body, and more water will be released in the urine, and so there will be a lower concentration of urine but a higher output of urine, and this can cause dehydration because the body's not retaining any water.